The best thing about being Bobby Deol always has been that I'm born in a Deol family.
Hi, Bobby, and welcome to Film Fair
Thank
Middle
you
East.
so
The
much.
trailer is looking exciting. You are looking fabulous once again.
Yeah.
You know, you have unleashed this Bobby Deol 2.0, some beast mode is on.
Well, I'm just, as I always say, I'm blessed. I am trying from my side, working really hard towards doing different kinds of characters, even though they're antagonists. They're very different from each other, So it is tough to find characters different, and I was very lucky when I was offered this film. Working with Surya has been amazing. He's an awesome, awesome actor and a great human being. So it's just been like the best thing that could have happened, to work and come in the Tamil industry for the first time and to work with Surya, Shiva, and Gyanvil, the producer.
Right.
The whole team was just super, super amazing.
But what was so challenging, like considering the entire setup is a very different one from, your usual way of working in Bollywood.
Yeah. No, it
Are they
isn't
more
different. It isn't
disciplined?
different.
No?
It's the same. सिर्फ भाषा अलग है.
Uh-huh.
बाकी सब same है. They work exactly in the same manner, and it's just that this is one of the biggest productions I'm a part of.
Yeah.
So the crew was huge. There was like 3,000 people, and everyone was putting their heart and soul into making this film. It was amazing how much dedication there was. I think it all depends on the captain of the ship, and that's Shiva, who's such a man with a golden heart. He only wishes the best for everyone, and he just had everything in control because he was so prepared. He knew exactly what he wanted. He wouldn't do anything extra, and it was just an amazing journey doing this film.
You're playing so many antagonists, लेकिन you're walking away with all the love. Still, ये hero के लिए जो love होता है, that is still there. Now for you, irrespective of whatever character you play.
I don't know. I mean, see, when I'm playing antagonists of bad villain characters, I don't think of myself as bad. I try my best to bring an emotional side to it, in some manner or the other, and somehow, I guess I'm just very lucky that people give me so much. I mean, I'm thankful to them to give me so much love.
And how do you still react? Like every generation has been calling you, the hottest guy, sexy, and those compliments from then to now.
I
How are
don't,
they hitting this time around?
Well, it's always good to get compliments. It encourages you to work harder, because you have to keep reinventing yourself and trying doing different things, and I think discipline is very important. So that's something I'm still getting used to, the discipline side, because it's not so easy to be disciplined because the working hours and the travels are so much that things get a little disrupted. But I think if the most you get yourself more disciplined, I think you can achieve so much in life.
But what is the best thing about being Bobby Deol right now?
The best thing about being Bobby Deol always has been that I'm born in the Deol family, and I was very blessed that I'm a part of the Deol family, and the love we get from the audiences is something just incredible. I've been in this industry for 29 years, now it's going to be 30, and I've always been given so much love and support by my fans and by the audiences. They were just waiting for me to give them something back in some kind of work I do, and Animal did that for me. And actually, the OTT platform changed everything for me.
Yeah, Ashram and 80 class of
Class of
84.
83 and Love Hostel. So it just gave me a chance to expose myself as what all I'm capable of, and I think that changed everything for me.
Wow. So is there now a tussle between, the South and the Bollywood, or is it going to be?
I don't think of it as a tussle. I think it's just great that I'm getting chance to. I'm doing one more Tamil film,
Yes.
and I'm doing two Telugu films. So I'm kind of enjoying it.
The producer said, we've seen the animal part, now we are seeing the wild animal part. Which one was more enjoyable though? Like, does it come
I
easy,
think
something like this?
it doesn't come easy, but once I'm on set, I just I don't know what
Let
happens.
go.
It just comes out.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Bobby, for talking to us. And as always, wish you all the best.